Hello, I'm Robert Nelson, here to share some more information on how to be more successful with your selling. Last week, we discussed how to use the law of averages in order to increase your sales. And I gave you a challenge to keep a record for just 1 week of how many sales attempts you make and to determine how many of those attempts actually close. Did you do your homework? Can you tell me how many sales attempts you made last week? And can you tell me how many of those attempts you actually closed? Now, there is a reason for this simple exercise, because this is a process that you must use in order to make improvements in any area of your life. And in order to help you remember this process, here is your word for today. You can reach any destination if you first map out a course toward that end. Yet before you even start, you have to know where you are to begin. You see, information alone has no real power. Information is only potential power. It's like a stick of dynamite. Its power is only released if it's ignited. Action is the flame that will ignite the potential power in any information you receive. So, I'm going to show you how to act on this law of averages in order to increase your sales. You ready? You either increase the number of attempts you make or you increase the percentage of sales you actually close. How do you do this? You either increase the number of attempts you make by reducing the time you spend on each attempt or increasing the time you spend making attempts. And you can reduce the time you spend on each attempt by qualifying your prospects more effectively and working smarter. And you can increase the time you'll have to make attempts by eliminating time wasting like needless conversations and unnecessary activity. But in order to increase the percentage of sales you close, you need only to put more enthusiasm into each sales attempt you make. Studies have shown that enthusiasm can increase the probabilities of you closing a sale by more than 50%. Why? Because enthusiasm means God within you. And whenever you express the God within you, you express love, you express good, and you express a positive life force that is guaranteed to increase your sales. So, here's your challenge. First, do your homework. But also, over the course of the next week, I want you to unleash the God potential within you and put more enthusiasm into each sales attempt you make. You will soon discover that the power of enthusiasm is guaranteed to help you increase your sales. This is Robert Nelson, and I invite you to like, comment, and even share this information. And stay tuned for more tips on how to be more successful with your selling. Thank you.